In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save your presentations as a PPT file, otherwise known as PowerPoint. Now, this is easy to do, but Canva has slightly hidden this feature away. Now, if we look here, I have this presentation right here with a few different pages. Now, let's say I wanted to save this as a PPT. We want to come up to Share, then we're going to come all the way down to More. Because if we look here, there is no option to save as a PPT file. So we're going to come to More, then we want to scroll all the way down to where it says Save. And if we look just here, it says Microsoft PowerPoint. So now, if we click on here, we can then choose which pages that we want to download. For this example, we'll just leave it at all. If there was a very specific page that you wanted to download, then you could just choose that like so, by choosing each individual page. But again, we're just going to select all, then I'm going to click Done and click Download. Now, I don't actually have PowerPoint, so I can't open this up in PowerPoint, but this is how easy it is. And if we now look here at this file, it is a .pptx. So, that's how you can easily save your presentations as a PowerPoint file. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please give me a like, as it does really help out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this playlist.